I am very happy with this drone. Here I'm in a forest somewhere, and I just try to do this video, and I forget to set the video just to make, but it was really very nice because the camera is very good quality from Hover X1. This drone is amazing. I don't need to fly so up. I just need just to follow me. Um, it's very good for you have somebody with you, but this is amazing. I don't stay so long because the weather was not so good this day. I mean, it was a little bit windy after, and maybe anyway it can start rain. It was starting rain, but I'm very happy with this drone because it's not boring. It look like toys actually, but it's not toys. It's really very satisfying. So thank you very much, Hover X1. It was very good idea how to make this because it's easy to keep with you. Just put it in your pocket, and anytime you want, you just start and do video. It's amazing. I recommend if you want someone to buy. It's not very expensive. I mean, I think I pay like almost 400 euro, but I was really very happy. So I recommend if you want to buy this or someone they want, I recommend Totality. I have another one drone, but that is you take a lot of time until you calibrate this and put GPS, and you need few minutes or maybe 20 minutes until you fly. So you get a lot of time until you setting everything after you must fly. But this one in 3, 4, 5 seconds is already to fly. So it's really very happy. But this day, that's why I speak now, recording here the voice, because I didn't know how to set the voice to straight to the drone, because the voice is recording straight in your mobile, and it's connected to the drone, the telephone, and you can recording your voice straight inside the drone. But this day I didn't know, and now I set up already because I'm new also with this drone, so I cannot say I have for a long time. But when he was coming, I was in the hospital. I was in and it's the problem because after I understand what is going. So now I just try in this forest. I waiting for my day off just to can do more video for you and show you everything how is going with this drone. So from now I have my own person who make me video, and I'm so happy because you don't need somebody to follow you all the time. Or so thank you very much, Hover X1. This reality, I'm very happy. I think I will order one more for in case if something happened with this one day, maybe broke or lost. But I need to have a second because this is really good. And I have like extra 2 battery, and you can make video so many. And I will buy also more battery because I think it's good to have extra battery. I'm very satisfied with this. So thank you very much, everyone.
So the cloud is full here today.
This
Is
video here after
almost ready for
first.
rain, and look how cloud. This actually is like that is my day when I'm day off, and always when I have my day off, it's so rain, so bad weather, and rain, windy, because I like sometimes to find some beautiful day to make some recorded video. But anyway, I just going out with Michaela. She's Michaela here. Michaela, she's together with me today, and she is ready to go home. I think she waiting to go somewhere. Maybe home. Where do you want to go, Michaela? Very cold. I think so. It's really cold. So it's the place. Wow, that is the small house there, and this is the round.